But to me, and I talk about this a lot, to my clients and other people, I personally love the fact that the tools for data science are very egalitarian, right? The tools are out there, and they're out there freely available for anyone to download, right? Python is freely available, Pandas is freely available, Keras, PyTorch, all these tools are freely available. MySQL, right? Like, it's literally available. Anything you want for data science tool-wise is out there. There are no limits to getting the tools. Like, you have the same access to tools that the people at Google do, the people at Meta do, right? Like, I get it. Yes, they probably have their own, reworked versions of these open source tools. Like, yes, I get it. But generally speaking, right, on a base level, you have the same access to the tools that everybody else on the planet does.